Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to leave a group conversation on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. In order to leave a group from our Facebook, let's open up our messenger first. And now I'm in a group over here. You can see this group. I'm invited over here. Now if I wanted to leave this group, I would have to tap on the icon on the top right corner of your screen over there. And after that, when you come to this interface, scroll down a little bit and you can see leave group option available over here at the bottom of the screen. Tap on leave group and you can see the leave option appear. Tap on leave again. And there guys, this is how you leave a group conversation on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.